folks. As the second unboxing and assembly video. I just did the G660. Now I have the G372XP. And boy, that G660 was had a slight issue with that. Run into decompression lever or compression release. Did not help that saw start. I just turned it off and it popped right off. Saw right there. Oh, hey, it's got the handle already on. Nice. No idea what that is. Takes a lot of time out of the assembly right there. Don't have to mess around with putting the handle on. I seriously need to get a K-bar knife. Boy, this feels a lot later. I like this type of choke lever better than the G660. You can guess that it's at half choke right out of the box. Hey, this is third generation of machinery, so I wonder if this is the third generation of the 372XP. It's got racing muffler. It's got 2 ports on it. See, look at that racing muffler. That's good for another what? 5-6 horsepower right there. Boy, I'm telling you, that muffler. That's ooh, triples. Wow, that thing's got to have at least twice the power of a stock saw. I'm telling you. Yeah, that's the way people talk when they, at least car people do. Let's see here. I'm getting the tools out. Check over, pop the lid on here. It's, oh, this one's much easier to get to. Spark plug right here, air filter right here. It's got a wing nut. Yeah, this is a proper air filter. Unlike the 52, 58, 62cc saws. This is a proper air filter design. This rubber goes right down into the carburetor thing. Some people have said that these carbs are junk right out of the box. On this particular Holzfforma Farmertec model. But we shall see about that. Otherwise, let's see. Yeah, the spark plug is definitely tight. I can tell by the squish. This is going to be a whole lot faster to get going than the other one. Well, for one, I have all my tools handy. 2, I did not drop a nut yet. Oh, don't tell me I gotta. Boy, this is gonna be fun. Looks like part of the adjuster is not in place. that on before anything gets damaged under there. Oh, it's a side tensioner. I was just looking at it funny. I thought there's an extra hole there for something. Alrighty. So all I gotta do is put the bar on, gas and oil, and go. Oh yeah, forgot bucking spike. Yeah, that was nice that G372XP popped off right out of the box. If this one runs right out of the box, I don't have to replace the carb. I'm probably going to run this one versus the Echo all the time. If it's the same weight, might as well run it because it's got more power. A lot more power. They sure didn't want this got the inner and outer, and it's got a small bucking spike. Nice. Well, that's a chain catch. I'll have to figure out. It's got these big dogs, and it's got this little one. I'm going to put the little one on because it's got the chain catcher. Put the screws in a safe spot right there. Yeah. Otherwise, it goes, this one bolts on, and then this goes here. I don't know what, they got two different setups here. I'm going to use this one. Where did these go? I would recommend doing Loctite on this. Well, it would help to get the tool. The nice part is I can go with the other log dogs anytime once I figure that out. I'm going with this one for now because it has the chain catcher on it. Maybe I use them all. I'll check with the building group and get back to you. This one I could probably transfer to the other log dog, which you know, which makes sense. I guess it comes down to personal preference. Just snug it up real good. I'll use the Holzfforma chain. I got Forester chain. Coincidentally, this is, oh, this better be to 50. No, this is 50 gauge. This chain's useless to me. That might fit on the Echo. I gotta check the gauge of it. Oh no, don't tell me this is 58 gauge as well. According to the box, it is, and I may have just made a magnificent blunder. I'll know as soon as I try to fit it on this bar. Does it fit in the grooves? No, it fits. Dang it. Oh, okay, that works. Switch to this position, so it's a lot easier to deal with. There we go, now it's on the flippy floppy. Okay, one of these has to go on here. This one. It's like this is a spacer. Huh. Nope. Just didn't have it pushed up flush. Okay. Cover. Here we go. That is nearly maxed out, and I gotta turn it back. Because this is being maxed out, it is not going to fit in the corresponding hole in the bar. So I got a 24-inch bar for this saw. It looks like I got, I'll just back it off all the way. Yeah, this piece is extra long, so that's kind of in the way. Get right on the edge. Doing it this way also helps. I should have gloves on for this, but I don't. Good gosh, this thing is a pain. There we go. Okay, bar nuts. It's going to help hold it together while I do get the chain somewhat tensioned. Yeah, it's got a long ways to go. Apologize for the bad camera angles, but not a whole lot I can do with where I'm filming here. I could turn the camera over this direction. So for the first start, I can run this pretty tight. Because it's going to stretch instantly and stretch an insane amount. And the chain is very tight, but as soon as it loosens up, all right. It's got plastic side cover, plastic top, air filter lid, handle, I don't like these types of caps. It's almost impossible to tighten them when, you know, tighten them by hand. Whoa, 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 way too much oil. I'm going to switch out that log dog on another day. Put the black one in there. Well, if this cap would seat properly. Good grief. What you gotta do to get that thing in there? Smell it? Oh, that smells like it's been run. This is all one take. Get my helmet, adjust the camera, and get it started. If it starts, because I was told these carbs are junk out of the box, but with this batch, you don't know. They could have improved it from all those problems. I'm adjusting my tripod here, so bear with me. Selfie mode. All right. Just so I'm over here. it runs, idles and stuff, after it gets running a little bit. That might make a difference. Carbureting a lot better. I can hit the throttle and not bog down. Boy, is that running so much better now than it did when it first started. It needed that warming up time. Now for a real hot start. Till next time, folks, take care, get out there and cut something. Whew. Now for a rest.